Dr. Jim Orvick from the Oregon Pet Clinic is here taking your calls at 270-9933. Good to see you again.
Good to be here.
Staying warm?
No.
No. Okay. Neither am I. Let's start with Mary in Ridgeway. Hi, Mary.
Hi.
Hi, what's your question?
I have a question. I have a Bichon Frise, and I've had her x-rayed from top to bottom, and she has this choking problem. I'm just wondering what it is, if you have any idea what that might be.
When does she choke?
She'll choke. It doesn't matter if it's morning, noon, or night, through the night.
It's a gagging problem.
It's a gagging problem. I don't know, would there be something in the esophagus or the throat?
Well, always a possibility, but if she's a young dog and has done it a long time, it's probably something else. And she eats and swallows okay. She doesn't choke then.
That's correct.
Yeah. A couple of things that I have noticed over the years that when dogs gag a lot, anal gland problems and tonsil problems.
Well, that's...
So those are two things to check out, first off, and after that, it could even be a behavior problem. But with gagging, it's probably not a physical or a mechanical problem in the throat at this time. I'd have to see the dog to know for sure.
Okay, so check out tonsils and anal glands.
Anal glands, yep. Some dogs, especially little ones, have problems with glands filling up and they'll gag. An old vet told me when I first started practice about
Really?
that.
That's
and I found it to be true too. So,
all right, let's go to David in Madison. Hi, David.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good. And what's your question?
Question is, I have a Labrador. He gets the usual ear infections. I've got him on antibiotics right now. But the fact is that his stools are very runny now. Is that one of the side effects of this? I've been giving him chicken and rice, just boiled chicken and rice, but it still persists.
Yeah. Some antibiotics in some dogs, like in some people, will cause runny stools, upset stomachs, all sorts of things. So a change to a different antibiotic would be worth a try if he's on long term. Otherwise, give him things to slow things down, cheese, kale pictate, things like that, and until you get done with the antibiotic.
But you might want to look at switching the antibiotics.
Yes.
Okay, Deborah in Montello. Hi, Deborah.
Hi.
Hi, what's your question?
Well, I have a 13-year-old American Staffy dog, and all of a sudden, since last summer, she's been eating dirt. She'll dig up a hole, and she'll start eating dirt, and I don't understand why she's doing that.
Yes, that's a good question. I have run into it in dogs. Anemic dogs and cats sometimes will eat dirt. And I don't know if you've had her complete checkup, but I think it would be worthwhile to do that on that 13-year-old dog. That there may be something starting that you don't know about.
So get some blood work done and
Yep.
get in. Really, the anemic animals will eat dirt.
Yep.
Unusual. All right, let's go to Nancy in Poinette. Hi, Nancy.
Hi, I have a 3.5-year-old male Siamese, and he licks plastic bags and my skin, whether it's my face, my hand, whatever. What's with that?
Yep, it's a common cat problem.
Really?
Plastic bags, yeah, and licking people too. And some cats, they just obsessed with it.
It's no condition, there's nothing wrong.
Not a condition, it's habit or some attraction, the smell of the plastic or something. But I've seen it many times.
Well, it's some unusual calls today, that's
Yeah.
for sure. If you're on the line, stay there. Doctor will take your calls off the air. We'll see you in a month.
Very good.
And we'll be right back with a final check of your forecast.